to be who I've been all along. It's all my love which I could not forget who I was before this song. Don't walk out on me because I'm trying to be.
Welcome back. Up next, we're going to be test driving a 1969 Grand Prix. Got a 455 under the hood. It's got power steering, lots of extra room. Pretty quiet motor. You got fiberglass hood and trunk. Aftermarket wheels. We'll be taking her down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know what you're buying before you get here. See? Dual exhaust out the back. Check out detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Looks like we're missing a center cap there. We're gonna go over any kind of flaws that I find on the test drive of the mechanical, and then when we get back from the test drive, we're gonna go over and look for chips, scratches, and check the paint and interior and undercarriage. We do that with every car on the lot. We have financing and shipping available. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, gonna look around the interior here, kind of check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Looking across the dash. Not too bad. Little pillars there overlapping. This one over here looks older. Kind of cracked a little bit. See little cracks in it. Let's go ahead and start this up. Oh wait, there's a kill switch right there. It starts right up. Forgot about that. Console here is, it's like homemade. Have to put some hinges on that to make it proper, but it actually doesn't look bad. Matches pretty well. The custom seats that are in it, you see they're like a brown. Same with the back seat. The back here, a little bit different color panels on the roof there. You can see the back corner trim isn't all placed up right. Not in perfect shape here. And a pretty good sound, but I can hear an exhaust like right below me. Wipers, let's try them. Wipers work. Engine temps coming up. Oil pressure's working pretty good. Blower motor. I can't get the blower motor to do anything. Oh wait, I just kicked it on. Blowing up the floor right now. Should have some heat. AC's not gonna work. Tilt. Yep. We'll see a radio in this one. Ashtray. Front horn, are you ready? No horn on this one. Fire window. It goes up and down pretty good. What about this one? Wow, that was really fast. Somebody's replaced that. Let's hit the road and see how she runs and drives. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's try this again. We're getting ready to take off. Had to go in and get that gas card. So I've used mine a bunch today and they like cut it off after a while. The clock isn't working either. This thing's showing 49,000 miles, but I can't stand behind that. It's a 1969 model. Let's see how it runs and drives here. Any flaws that I see, I will let you know. Exactly why I do these videos. Brakes are a little bit stiff. Try them out. Pretty strong. Speedo's coming up. Kick down's hooked up. She's pulling pretty good. Definitely stopping to get gas. It is low. Hit these brakes. Brakes aren't that great. So I didn't even check to see if there was drum brakes or disc brakes on this one. I mean, you can make it stop fast, you just gotta get on them. I believe they're drum, that's what it feels like. Feels like manual drum brakes. I don't see the turn signals popping up anywhere on the dash. We'll check those in the walk around video. Motor feels pretty good though. Pulling pretty strong. Going down the road straight as an arrow. Steering's nice and tight as well. I'm starting to get used to these brakes. It don't take long when you work up here. You got to get used to all the cars pretty quick, and they all drive a little bit different. I'm gonna put some fuel in this one because it's saying we're on E, and I bet you it is. The transports, I believe they can't have over a quarter tank in any of the cars when they transport them, and that explained a lot of why we were getting all these cars with no gas in them. So, all right, let's put some fuel in this. Oh yeah, you got to flip it off of that switch down there. All right, we're up here at the gas station, putting about $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride, and we'll keep the video rolling here. Definitely gonna check that gas gauge out. We're getting real close to 20 bucks. After we hit that, we're going to get in there and turn the ignition, watch it go up. Hopefully, it was on E, so hopefully that it works, so you don't have to guess on your gas. Let's get it out of there without making too big of a mess here. One-handed bandit. Looks like a new gas cap. Looks like air shocks on this one. Yeah, just spun around. There we go, it clicked. Would you like receipt? Yes, I will. I would. I'm gonna take that. Let's go. Check these out. How cool. They do the same thing on the inside. And that is what the gas gauge was reading when we got here. It does look like it came up. It's still moving up. It is. It's very slow, but it's working. Good deal. Hey, thanks. Okay, it's time to roll out. Get the seatbelt back on. Let's finish this test drive. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's see if we, oh, it still works. Good deal. Heading on back to the car lot now. have to do the walk around at the car lot. I need a screwdriver to get in the trunk. It doesn't have a lock. You have to install a lock on the trunk if you want one. I like that green color. Looks pretty good. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's 5 o'clock. Let's go. Let's go. Waiting on them to turn up here. Hopefully I have some open road coming up. Like I said, the brakes are a little bit weak on this. Car's going straight and steering's pretty tight, so. Throttle's great. Every time you punch it, it takes off. It's got plenty of power. Kick down is hooked up. Running and driving great. Run up on somebody pretty quick. Suspension's fairly smooth on this one, and y'all know this is a bumpy road right here. I'd have to give it a 7 out of 10. It feels good. I like the seats the way they did it. They're very comfortable. Coming on down here, we're gonna pass Brian's Motorsports. I always like pulling through his shop. It seems like every couple of hours he's got something new going on down here. He's even got a shoe shop down here if y'all are into collecting shoes. Coming up through his parking lot, he does lifts, wheels, tires, custom interior, stereo systems. He builds stuff from scratch. He does motor swaps. I've seen him. Well, he doesn't necessarily focus on motor swaps, but he did do a Cummins swap in an ice cream truck or a little Debbie truck. It was the craziest thing I've seen in a while. But he's worth checking out. Just go on over to briansmotorsports.com. He's got a whole showroom full of wheels and tires in here, stereo systems. You can check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and they even got a YouTube channel that's worth looking into. I want to find some of these guys. See if we can mess with them here. I think they're already all in there working. He just put the Forgiatos on that truck right there. They're getting ready to haul some vehicles up to Pigeon Forge for the Rod Run weekend. He's got a Lincoln sitting in there. He's working on getting some stuff done. Big, probably stereo system or something. There's no telling. Always working on stuff. He built the Escalade sitting right here. Huge wheels and tires on it. Lifted way up in the air. All right. I didn't know if they had something new going on in here. See the dually truck. loaded up right there, completely custom diesel. It's that thing's wild. And you got to come by the ice cream truck. I keep saying ice cream truck. It's a Little Debbie truck. America's #1 snack with Forgiatos. And a full custom kicker setup inside there. Custom seats and a Cummins diesel under the hood. Look, the pipe's sticking out the side. I'm telling you, they're doing all kinds of stuff down here. They do the new trucks. All the suspension lift, everything matches, is powder coated. All right, let's head on back to the lot and I'll get the walk around video going on this one. That way y'all know everything about it. Okay. We've made it back to the car lot here. Gotta wait for some more traffic. Some more. Lot's not looking too bad today. We're gonna be closed this Thursday through Monday. So let's see, Tuesday the 15th through Sunday we'll be closed. So be sure to check our website. Make sure you check the date on this video too, because you might be watching it, you know, months from now. But we do leave the older videos on there, the ones that we have sold, show what we get in. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and get this screwdriver here. I need to pull next door. I don't know why I pulled in here. They're moving everything around. Just not hit nothing. How about that? Pull over here and I'll get you a walk around video. All right, take up the lane. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.